Hello everyone, my name is Davide and today I will show you how to combine in Power BI different types of charts such as bar charts and shapes. So let's look at the dataset that I'm using here. So it's a simple table of 23 records where we have one record for each year from 2000 until 2022. Then we have revenue and expenses. So my goal in here will be to show the revenue with one type of visualization and then the expenses with another one, but all of them combined into one chart. So let's go back to the front end. I'm gonna use this visualization in here, the line and cluster column chart. So I'll bring it into the visualization and I will expand it. I will bring in here the fields. So obviously we want to have the year in the axis, and I'm not gonna need the whole hierarchy, so I'll just use the year in here. And then I'll use as column the revenue. I'll just drag and drop it. And then I'll use the expenses under the line. So now, as we can see, we were able to combine the bar charts and the line charts. But what if instead of the line chart, I want to use a shape? So one way that we can accomplish this is to go through the formatting options and under the markers. So I can turn it on and I can see that by default, I will have the circles in here. So as mentioned, I just don't want to have the line. So what I can do, I can just remove the line in here, and to remove it, I can just minimize down to 0 the width. So now we see that the line disappeared, and now we just have the shape. So what I can do in here now is to maybe make the shapes a little bit bigger. So I can increase it maybe by a few pixels. So now it's a little bit more clear. So there you go. Now we have together in the same chart, the bar charts and the circles. What I would do at this point is to make some customizations to the chart, because we see that the default that is provided by Power BI is probably not the most user-friendly. So I'm going to show this in another video, and you can find the link down below in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching.